Here we will write a Python program to display employee information using multi-level inheritance. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define class employee. Here we will define two variables, employee number and employee name, and we will initialize these variables. Then we will define method display1, and here we will print employee number and employee name. Then we will define another class emp data, which will inherit employee. Here we will define variables for department and designation. Then we will define method display2, and here we will call the method display1 from the class employee. So super.display1, and then we will print department and designation. Then we will define third class employee info, which will inherit employee data. Here we will define variable for joining date. Then we will define method display3, and here we will call the method display2 from class employee data. So super.display2, and here we will print joining date of the employee. Then we will create object of our class employee info, and we will call the method display3 from that class. Then we will save it, and we will execute it. It will print employee information as number, name, department, designation and joining date. Here first we have defined the class employee, then second class we have defined employee data which inherits employee, and then we have defined third class employee info which inherits employee data.